Unlock mastery in any subject. Achieve your biggest learning goals in 30 days. What if I told you that the difference between struggling learners and learning superstars isn't talent, luck, or even time? It's simply knowing the right system. Today, you're going to discover the exact blueprint that transforms ordinary students into knowledge-absorbing machines in just 30 days. How to build your learning empire, the 4-pillar system. Pillar 1. Design your learning sprint. First, flip the script on traditional studying. Instead of vague goals like learn Spanish, create laser-focused 30-day missions. Want to master calculus? Break it into weekly conquests. Week 1, derivatives, Week 2, integrals, and so on. This isn't just planning, it's engineering your success. Pillar 2. Master the 25-5 technique. Here's where the magic happens. Study for 25 minutes with explosive focus, then take a 5-minute celebration break. Your brain craves this rhythm. During those 25 minutes, you're not just studying, you're training your mind to become an attention warrior. Watch as your concentration skyrockets and information sticks like superglue. Pillar 3. Activate multisensory learning. Transform yourself into a learning chameleon. Read out loud, draw mind maps, teach concepts to your pet, or create silly songs about formulas. When you engage multiple senses, you're not just memorizing, you're building neural highways that make recall effortless and fun. Pillar 4. Implement the teaching test. Here's the ultimate mastery check. If you can explain it to a 10-year-old, you truly understand it. Create videos, write blog posts, or simply explain concepts to friends. Teaching forces your brain to organize information perfectly and reveals knowledge gaps instantly. Your 30-day transformation starts now. The most successful learners treat studying like a thrilling adventure, not a chore. They celebrate small wins, track progress visually, and most importantly, they start before they feel ready. Remember, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Your future self is counting on the decision you make right now. Will you join the ranks of learning legends, or will you let another month slip by wondering, what if? The choice is yours, but mastery is waiting.